I cannot believe this. I cannot believe that that just happened. I cannot believe that I put that on my car. What's up, Solid Squad? It's your main man, Relly Rails, and I'm back at it again with another review on another product. Now, you know I love keeping my car clean. It's nothing like having a clean car at all times. So I love detailing products, and I was fortunate enough to be able to get my hands on this product. Now, we received this product right here from Lamonster Garage. I'm gonna make sure I put all of their info and the details down below. And this is their Black Diamond Detailer Kit. I received it in the mail today. So opening it up real quick, right here, what we have is the actual diamond detailer. It's 50 state compliant, it says. It's the only detailer found in the Lamonster Garage. So if anyone knows about Can-Am spiders, I'm pretty sure you know about Lamonster Garage. They're real big in that community. So I'm definitely excited to try this out. And from what I know, you know, it's good on all surfaces. It removes grit, grime, bugs, tar, everything. So I'm definitely excited about applying that. And also right here, we have the black trim renew. Now we all know, especially when you have black cars that has any type of black trim on it, like as far as on the Camaro, you see this black trim right here. It's kind of an ABS plastic. You know, you need something like this because it starts to fade after a while. So we're gonna be excited to use that also. But first and foremost, we want to see how this detailer performs. Now also in the box, they make sure that they take care of you. I mean, typically when you buy a product, all you get is the product, but they have blessed us with 3 different microfiber towels because, you know, that's what they recommend on their product. So what better way to take care of your customer than to also give them the actual microfiber towels. You know, we all got different types of towels around the house. Everybody doesn't have microfiber. A lot of people don't know about using microfiber. So I'm glad that they added these in as well. That's what makes it such a great package. You got everything you need. All you need is a little bit of elbow grease and you're good to go. So what we're about to do, we're about to go and set up and we're about to apply it to the Camaro and see what we can do to this black paint job. Okay, so now that we're all set up, we're ready to go, we are going to focus on this area of the trunk. The car has recently been washed about 2 days ago, so it's not filthy, but whenever, you know, after a couple days, you start to get dust and you start to get, you know, different things from the road on your car. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and apply it to this trunk area and see what kind of shine we can pull out of here and what type of things that are, you know, somewhat, you know, on the car that we can get rid of. So, and make sure whenever you're dealing with any kind of product, make sure you always read the details, read the directions so that you know exactly what you're doing, you know how to apply it, and you know how to remove it. With this detailer right here, now it says it's streak free. Now that's one thing that will definitely pique my interest. Anything streak free, because you know, a lot of times, you know, when you put cleaners and detailers on your car, after a while you might start to notice like little streaks and stuff like that, you know. So by it being streak free, that's definitely a plus for me. What it says is, you know, apply it in a sweeping motion as if you're painting. So what we're gonna do is, you know, we shake it up a little bit and we're gonna apply. And from watching the actual videos on their YouTube, Lamonster Garage's YouTube, which I will post their information to their YouTube channel in the description below, you know, it says, cool, you know, maybe let it sit for a couple of seconds. I got my microfiber towel, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go back and forth, back and forth, man, if you guys were here, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. If you guys could see, I definitely have to do the whole car. I definitely got to do the whole car in this. And once you apply it, look at that. I mean, the towel just slides right off. So you know it's taking every bit of grime or grit off of the car. We're gonna do this other area over here on the side. Instead, you know, sweeping motion when you spray it. We're gonna let it sit for a couple seconds. And the beautiful thing about this stuff, it's not just for paint. You can also use it on motorcycle windscreens and stuff like that. Anywhere you may have any kind of residue, any bugs or stuff like that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go with this side. Same thing, sweep motion. And man, if you guys could see what my trunk looks like now, it is ridiculous. Now this is a shine that I can co-sign. Really Rails co-signs this black diamond detailer. Now, from what I was told, you know, it lasts quite a while on your vehicle. And the more you use it, the more you actually, you know, clean your car with it, the better the surface gets in protecting your car, your vehicle against the elements out there. So what I'm gonna do, since that looks so great to me and worked out so well, I'm gonna real quick, and I'm probably gonna time lapse this. I'm gonna go ahead and do the whole car real quick. So let's get that done, and then we're gonna back this baby out in the sun and see what she looks like. So now y'all know the ultimate test is always bugs, the front grille. See these bugs now. I did a review on some stuff that I used last time and it worked pretty good. So I want to see how this is gonna work. So you know, we got the bugs on there, we're gonna let it sit. We just hit this area down here too. And of course, you know, the bugs are on the lights, and this stuff is safe for your lights as well. So like, you don't have to worry about overspray because, you know, it's good for all surfaces. So we're gonna come across here. We're gonna wipe. I had 2 bugs on there. That's crazy. Like the stuff I used last time, there was several more steps you had to do. But this, you spray it on and then just wipe over the bugs. You let it sit for a couple of seconds, of course, but man, and not only does it take the bug off, you know, it gives you a good shine on it. That's what it's all about for me, you know. Not only take the stuff off. Now, let's do this headlight because there's a big bug right here on the headlight. I want to see. That just came off like butter, seriously. Like, it fell right off onto the rag. Now, there's another one down here. I need to spray a little bit on there. Get a little bit on there. Let that sit. This stuff is like, I wish y'all could see it up front, up close and personal. See if I can get that bug. Yeah, it'll wipe right off. That's simple. That's simple, y'all. This black diamond detailer, you know what I mean? It's bananas. I think I found my new product. Hands down, I found my new product. Let's hit the other side. Like I said, it's like a painting motion, you know what I mean? And you can let it sit for a little bit. You know, you don't have to let it sit for a long time, you know, just long enough Sorry about that. Just long enough. Just let it sit long enough. You know what I mean? And then you just find where the bugs were, and that one just right off. That is crazy. You talking about a double thumbs up on that? That's crazy. I want to make sure that all of you guys know that Rally Rails co-signs this with an 850 credit score, okay? Seriously. I co-sign this heavy. All my motorcycle riders. All of my, look, the bug just came right off of there. That's crazy. All my motorcycle riders. After you come from a long trip and you just want to hop off and wipe it down real quick, this is all you need. This is all you need. Get the side over here. Because you can't just do spots. You got to make sure you do you got to get it all now. Look at that. I don't even know where the bug was now since it wiped right off. That comes right off. Bang. Another one gone. Bang. Another one. Bang. Gone. That simple. You guys have to get this product. I am dead serious. I haven't used anything that's been this good. I mean, probably not ever. So you definitely got to go to Lamonster Garage. Like I said, their info is down below in the description. You got to get this stuff. I mean, and it's not expensive at all. Okay, so now we're gonna apply the black trim renew. That's for parts on the car, like I said, that are like, you know, the ABS plastics and trimming that tend to fade after a while. Mine is, you know, it's in decent condition, but you know, I'm pretty sure it can use some improvement. So it says what we want to do first is take our microfiber towel. We're gonna fold it like this, and then we're just gonna spray a small size on it like that, and we're gonna just use it as a dressing, just as a dressing, and it brings the black right back. You can see the difference, right? You can see the difference. Oh my goodness, this is bananas. This is crazy. Like, you can really see how it just went from, I didn't even know it was that gray looking until I put this product on there, and it really brought it back black. We definitely got to do another. Hold on. Just a little bit. And that's all you need is a little bit. I'm going to do all of this. Look at that. Look at that. That is ridiculous. You gotta be. And I wonder why this stuff isn't in stores everywhere. We're gonna do one more spot on this side right here. Just a little bit. And just apply it like a dressing. And it goes on smooth too. It goes on real smooth. This, by far, now I've used like Armor All and stuff for this. Nah, this is totally different. This is totally different. This is the trim renew. We're not just talking about a temporary shine. You know what I mean? When they say renew, they mean they're gonna bring it back. And that's exactly what it did. Look at that. Look at that side. Look at that. That's quality product. That is quality product. That is the black trim renew by Lamonster Garage. Make sure y'all go and check them out, and please purchase some of this. I guarantee you will not be disappointed. I mean, cars, trucks, motorcycles, ATVs, Can-Ams, whatever you got, you need to get this product, definitely. Since I've applied that, I'm gonna put the top back on that. I mean, I know I'm ordering some more ASAP. I'm ordering some more ASAP. So we have the Black Diamond Detailer, which you guys seen what it did. I'm gonna take you on a walk around the car so you can see what type of shine it put on this car. I mean, it removed everything that was on there that I couldn't get off with a simple wash. And we used the black trim renew from Lamonster Garage. So let's take a quick walk around the car. And look at it. I mean, look at the shine. I want to put it on my wheels, and that's probably what I'm gonna do next. Just look at that shine. The shine is so good, you can see me in there. You dig? Like, it is crazy. Look at that shine. That shine is ridiculous. Look at the hood. I mean, it looks like glass. And when you say no streaks on the car. No streaks left on the car. Now, you probably wouldn't be able to see that in the garage, but that's why I pulled the car out. Look at that glass. Glass. That's what the car looks like. If it wasn't my car, I would swear it was ceramic coated. Like, seriously. So I know, I will tell you this, before I do get my car ceramic coated, I'm gonna make sure I use this on it. It's an amazing deal. An amazing deal. Like I said, this black diamond detailer. You have to get it. They provide you with the black diamond detailer. They give you the black trim renew, and they also give you three microfiber rags. So you don't need anything. You don't need anything, and you can get this glass effect on your car. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe this. I cannot believe that just happened. I cannot believe that I put that on my car and it gave it a shine. And like I said, my main thing is the bugs that get stuck on the front of your car and the road grind. Like, the front of my car is like glass now. Y'all see that? Can y'all see that? This is amazing product. Amazing product. By the way, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, The Rally Rails. And also make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel, The Rally Rails. I'm out there on Twitter also. It's Real Rally Rails on Twitter. So you can catch me on there, and you can catch me on Facebook too. I'm out there as well. But just look at this shine on the car. If you are a car detailer and you haven't used this product, you're doing your customers a disservice. I did that in all of 5 minutes. So could you imagine what's gonna happen when you sit there and go through all the nooks and the crannies? It's gonna be ridiculous. It's gonna be ridiculous. Hey guys, I'm co-signing this, like I said, with an 850 credit score. This black diamond detailer from Lamonster Garage, this is it. This is all you need. And then you get, the black trim renew. This is all you need. You get that package. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put a link to this package down in the description below, so you can get this package and you can be on your way to shining like I am right now. Crazy. So, like I said, that is the best product that I've ever used on my vehicle. Major shout out to the guys over at Lamonster Garage. And like I said, I know if you're in the Can-Am community, you know exactly who they are. So this product not only works on my car, on cars, it's definitely big in the bike community, in the Can-Am community. So definitely get it. You will not be, I'm telling you, you would not be, if you get this product, trust me, you'll love it. I mean, you will not be disappointed. You will not be disappointed at all. I think I found my new go-to. It took everything off the car. What's crazy is it took everything off the car and left a shine behind. That's ridiculous. Like, I've never used anything like that. So major shout out to the guys over at Lamonster Garage. I appreciate you guys for sending me the product. I'm definitely ordering some more. I'm definitely gonna have the whole squad, clicking down below, ordering as well. So squad, y'all need to go down there, drop a solid down there. If y'all gonna pick some up, you gotta pick some up, you gotta get some. So once again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like, share, and the notification bell. It's your man, Rally Rails, and this beautiful black car right here. Extremely beautiful now, thanks to the guys over at Lamonster Garage. I'm gonna see y'all. We're gonna have something big for you tomorrow. So I will see y'all tomorrow. I'm up out of here. Always 100, always solid.